Hello, and thank you for checking out this video series on Drupal. Now in this video we're pretty much finished with creating and configuring and setting up our membership site. Now we're just going to go through and test everything to make sure that all of our buttons are working and our T's are crossed and our I's are dotted. So let's head on over to our A-Member admin page, and this is the setup and configuration page here, the A-Member Pro configuration, the global thing. Now, one thing I wanted to mention while I'm on this in this area is if you go to plugins, after we're done doing all of our testing, as it says right here, don't forget to disable it when testing is finished. And the it they're referring to is the cc_demo. This is our credit card demo setup. So we're going to use this to enter a fake credit card number that they give us, and this allows us to go through the whole process as a paying member would, and gives us a more realistic view as to what's happening, what should be happening, what isn't happening, and so on. Just that after you're done testing, make sure you come back here to the plugin section of the setup and configuration page and untick that, come down here and click on save. So that said, let's get to it. Let's head on over to Manage Products and get our sign up link. Right here is the sign up link wizard. Just click on this. And we've got the sign up link down here. This is what you would basically just highlight, copy, and slap on your page, whatever page you've got that you want to have your sign up link on. And of course, just a little HTML trickery to where you make that sign up link look like an image, or you make it as part of some order button or what have you. But anyway, this is where you go to get that link. Now you've got some adjustments you can make if you wish, but all these are default right now. So for example, if you wanted to have the silver membership pre-selected, and as you can see here, the link changed accordingly. Let's just show you what I'm talking about here. So you see here the silver is pre-selected. Now of course you can still select any other membership level you have set up, just that this one here is defaulted as being selected already. Likewise for the payment system, choose only one payment system. The default is show everything, but you can choose one of them, and the link changes again, and you can see you only have the one payment system in here. So those are some ideas anyway as far as altering, for whatever reason you may need, the sign up link that you've got. So here we are going to sign up for the silver membership. We're going to use the CC demo credit card. Here's the number they want us to use so that there's no charges actually involved. And the name, we're going to go with Kevin G. Email address, I'm going to use my Gmail account, and user login. Now if you recall, a lot of this info in here was set up, or the formatting of it was set up in a prior video. In other words, here I think it only allows small letters, and if you put in large letters, well, it's going to convert it to small letters. So let's go ahead and put in the small letters, or lowercase as they call it. Kevin G, password, because you also had a setup in here too where the system would assign the username and password. We opted not to have that happen. So again, just a memory refresher. I'm going with password, so if I forget it, just yell it out. That would be neat, huh? Oh yeah, and the address info here, if you recall, there was three choices. One where we didn't have any address info show up here. One was we had it, but it was optional. That's one we chose. And another one that said that we have the address info, but it's required. In other words, if you hit the continue button here and these are not filled in, then you would get error messages all over the place saying, you got to fill this in. And chances are pretty good too. I'm not positive, but you might also have this little asterisk next to these referring to the fact that they are required. But since they are not, we are not. And it should take us to the payment page. And here we are. Now it's asking for the money here, the subtotal and the taxes and all that kind of stuff. And the credit card number that we just put in our clipboard a second ago, The date here for the card expiration, just leave it as it is. Need 3 arbitrary numbers in here. Got to have 3. And now this address info has to be in there. And I go with the United States, go with Missouri. Oop, back it up one. Oh, come on. And I got this stuff in there. So I'm just double clicking and entering it. I'm going to subscribe and pay our $7 and become a member of the silver level. And here we go. Kevin G. And we're just going to highlight Password and see, and there we go. Now I want to show you a couple other things. Go to my Gmail account, log in. Right here is the email that we get, Dear Kevin G. And as you can see, it gives us the user ID, the password, and the login page link right here. Now, what I want to do at this point is I want to go into our account, but I want to log in as an admin. So I want to go ahead and log out here. So I want to show you the way this looks on the inside from the administrator's point of view, because old Kevin G's got access to his particular page. He doesn't have access to the guest page, the gold page, just the silver members page. So of course the same thing can be done with the gold members page, and on that particular home page of the gold member, that you can have links to the silver members protected folder that we created, the gold members protected folder, other pages of the site, and of course you still have these links out here to get anywhere else on the site you'd like as well. So anyway, let me go ahead and log out of here. Log in as an administrator. And I believe that's the one. Now let me go to administer and users. Yeah, down here to users under user management. And you can see right here Kevin G, active, silver, sign up 6 minutes, or been a member for 6 minutes. And if you go to, of course you can go into edit and you can do a few other things too, but I just want to show you that right now it's active. Now then, if we go to our A member account, go up here to browse users, we're going to do a search for users. Of course, got to log back in now. Anyway, here's old Kevin G and all the information on him. And we want to go to, you see our users list 1, but let's delete him. Of course, you can do the same thing for banning and all that other kind of stuff, but we're going to just delete the guy, because Kevin was a bad person, so we got rid of Kevin. Anyway, let's go on back here, refresh this page. Kevin is blocked. Boom. So there is a tie between the two, the A member script and the Drupal site that we got set up here. So you can see that that's functioning just fine. I mean, really, this is a solid setup. I think it works fantastic. So you're going to be the final judge of that. But I do want to thank you very much for watching the videos. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed them along the way as well. Thank you again, folks, and you have a great day.